everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a review on that black mask that everybody's been trying. Got the Kind Suction Black Mask by Water Ice Levin. I got this, I think it was $20 at the As Seen on TV store. If you open the box, it's pretty big. It's a pretty big bottle. The back of it says absorbing pores, blackhead, and stubborn dirt and helping to improve dull and rough skin. How to use it, pamphlet, and it also comes with a spoon. I don't know if you're supposed to use this spoon to put it on your face. It says, step 1, clean face with facial cleanser, depositing with hot towels for 3 to 5 minutes until the pores open. So I'm going to wash my face now. Just washed all of my makeup off with makeup remover. Held a hot cloth over my face just to open my pores for a few minutes. I do have some zits here. I don't have blackheads, but I don't have the cleanest pores. Instead of just putting it over the nose like I've seen lots of people do, I think I'm gonna put it over the nose and try to go up here more, and also maybe my whole face, who knows. It says step 2 is apply proper amount evenly on the forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and avoid the eyes, eyebrow, and lip area. So I guess they say to put it all over your face also. So let's test this out. It's very dark. Oh, it's like toothpaste. Okay, let's just put it on. I'm not going to use the spatula thing they gave me. It's very thick and it does spread quite easily. It looks like the middle of my face is deleted. Now that it's all on my face, it says, wait for 10 to 15 minutes, gently ripping away from top to bottom, and use warm water to clean, dry. We'll let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. See that? Okay, so it has been 13 minutes. It got very tight. This is how I can smile. Okay, I'm going to start peeling it off wherever I see that I can. Ooh. This reminds me of Goldmember, where he's picking off his skin and he's like, I like gold. Anywhere you may have hair, this is gonna hurt. You can't see anything really. So maybe it's not taking anything out. This feels like ripping a band-aid off your face. Again, all I really see is it pulling out like little hairs. But like, thank you for taking those out. Oh. This is very drying. So if you already have dry skin, I mean, this is going to be really drying. I finished cleaning it off my face. I've noticed that right here where it really hurt to peel off, got quite red. Other than that, I just washed the rest of it off with a wet cloth. This is not something that I would suggest peeling off while in a bathtub, because the parts that you peel off, if they get wet, they do turn into like a charcoaly black, and I can see that leaving a pretty big ring around your tub. Also quite messy if you do get those parts that you peeled off wet. I feel like this stuff would stain your clothes. My face feels amazing. It feels so soft. Right around my nose is quite dry. I did have a hard time getting it out from around my nose ring. I'm really glad that I didn't put it up here because the peach fuzz being ripped out would have been really painful. My face does feel dry, so I will have to put some sort of moisturizer on it, but again, like, it feels really nice. Pores do look clear. They look quite large, but they don't look like they have anything in them. So I guess it did what it said it was supposed to do. I recommend this product. It's cool, it's fun to do. It did make me, like, my face feel nice. Pulling it off really hurt. If you're a baby, I would not suggest this. I mean, it might be a fun thing to do just one night, just if you're having fun with your friends or with your boyfriend or whatever. I don't think that it's worth $20. I don't think it's something that I would keep reaching for. It's definitely not something I would suggest to do every day. Maybe once every couple weeks, once every month sort of thing. I mean, it is a cool product, I guess. It went around, people loved it, so I mean, it's whatever you have in your pores, it's gonna come out on the little sheet, so mine was mostly just peach fuzz hair and dirt and stuff. Cool nonetheless. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up down below, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.